Hey YouTube, a few quick tips on keeping your legs and feet dry when you are cycling in the rain. Some of these have worked well for me, others not so much. These are all budget items, you're not going to break the bank. First of all, I tried these because I was having wet feet. I'm cycling every day to the office, to my kids' school, so I bought these Overshoe covers from Amazon. They're about 20 euros. They've got the rubber sole, polyester, zip along the front. Never really sure what this elastic tag does. I don't know if it's for hanging them up or wrapping them up. But there's another elastic on the top to fit around your trousers. Point is, I never use these. I used them once. They're like moon boots. It's like walking in a hazmat suit. They're super uncomfortable and awkward to walk around in if you're not taking them off immediately when you get off the bike. So if you're dropping your kids off and you have to walk them into school with these on, you just feel like a wally. It's not comfortable, a bit of a waste of money. Next up, we've got the waterproof trousers from Regatta. This is the best item, I would say, out of all the ones I'm going to show you. I've put the link below. These are about 20 euros. I keep them all the time in my backpack. They slip over my trousers and boots. The hole at the end is really big, so even with big boots on, I can get them on and off, and you can tighten it as well with a pop button if you want to make it tighter around your boot. But this, I keep it in the bottom of my backpack. It hardly weighs anything. 20 euros, bargain by Regatta. That's the must-have item. However, you've still got wet feet. I put gaiters over those. This didn't work because all the water just ran down over the trousers, over the gaiters, and onto the tongue of my shoes. So in the end, I bought waterproof boots. These are not 100%, but I'm going to say 80% waterproof. I've stood in puddles while I'm getting on my bike before, the puddles to there, and my feet were still dry afterwards. So this is made of some material, I don't know what it is, but this is a generic brand. It's called Hiker. They were 50 euros, and these are the best things. So waterproof boots from a cheaper boot store. Now, one more accessory I want to show you is the backpack. Now, this type of polyester, the thick one, and in my video on waterproof jackets, this is the best material I find to stay properly dry in the rain. It's from Primark. They call it a courier bag, but it rolls up over the top, which keeps all your stuff inside nice and dry, like your waterproof trousers, your gloves, but also your laptop and your papers. So Primark, about 17 euros, all the water runs off and it rolls over the top. That is another must-have item, and it has the hole at the bottom for anything that's super wet or you need to separate from the rest of the stuff. Hope that's been useful. Check out my video on waterproof jackets and then the other video on the cheap accessories for keeping you dry. Thanks.